Hello everyone, how you all doing? In today's video, we are going to talk about the iOS 14.5 and Apple released this update today to everyone. Finally, we were waiting for this update for a while now, and today is the day. This update is out for everyone. You can just go into settings, and after going to settings, you have to click in, then click on software updates, and here you will find this update. And after updating your device, you will be able to access new features of this firmware. And should you update to this firmware, let's quickly talk about this. So if you are considering getting AirTags, or your AirTags, you have already ordered it and your AirTags arrive today or whenever it is arriving, this update is the update you should do, because AirTags won't work without the iOS 14.5 on your device. You need to install iOS 14.5 on your device in order to just use AirTags, and AirTags won't be able to communicate with your device without having the iOS 14.5 on your device. And then talking about the new features, a major new feature that I love about this update is that we can use our Apple Watch. If you do have an Apple Watch, you can use your Apple Watch to unlock your device without needing to remove your mask. In short, if you are wearing a mask and you have Apple Watch in your hands, you can just go into settings, then scroll down. After scrolling down, you can click on Face ID and passcode. After clicking on Face ID and passcode, you should enter your passcode, and then we have to scroll down, and then we will have the access of unlock from Jazz Apple Watch, as you can see, or unlock from whatever you are owning Apple Watch. And Apple Watch should be updated to watchOS 7.4. As always, this update have a lot of security fixes, and this update is really good in terms of new security features. You can access a lot of security. Well, another thing is that Apple added some new podcast features in this update too. We know that Apple released a podcast plus subscription, and that subscription, we can access that subscription on our devices on the iOS 14.5. And till now, Apple didn't really release the HomePod OS 14.5, but I see really Apple releasing this HomePod update in next 24 to 48 hours to be maximum, I guess, or maybe by the time this video is up, Apple would have released the HomePod OS update. Then talking about this update on my iPhone 12, after installing this update, I got around 200 MBs back on my iPhone 12 after installing this update, so that's pretty darn good. If you are thinking about saving some storage, this update did delete some of my caches and temporary files that I had on my iOS 14.5 beta. If you are new to the channel, I will be coming up with a lot of reviews of iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 7 and a lot of devices on the iOS 14.5. So if you are owning one of those devices, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in the very next one. Peace out.